Are you tired of being limited by your keyboard layout? With Microsoft PowerToys, you can take control of your Windows experience by remapping keyboard keys to suit your preferences. Let's dive into how you can unlock this powerful tool and customize your keyboard like a pro. Getting started with PowerToys is a breeze. Simply head to the Microsoft Store, search for PowerToys, and hit Install. Within moments, you'll have access to a world of customization options at your fingertips. Once PowerToys is installed, it's time to unleash its key remapping capabilities. PowerToys is now installed. Let's open it. Follow these steps to redefine your keyboard's behavior. Launch PowerToys and select Keyboard Manager. Choose your desired keys for remapping. Toggle the feature on if it's not already active. Select Remap a key. Select the plus Add Key Remapping button in the new window. Click the Select button in either the left or right-hand boxes. Tap on the key you want to remap. Then repeat the process with the other Select button and other key you want to serve as the new target. Alternatively, you can click on the left and right-hand drop-down menus and pick the keys from their selections. Click OK in the top right-hand corner of the window to save your changes. Verify your new key binding has appeared in the main PowerToys Keyboard Manager window. Close PowerToys and try out your key binding. But why stop at individual keys? PowerToys enables you to overhaul entire keyboard shortcuts with ease. Here's how. Select Remap a shortcut and define your new shortcut. Select the plus Add Shortcut Remapping button in the new window. Make sure the action from the Action drop-down menu is set to Send Key/Shortcut. Click the Select button, the one that looks like a pencil, in either the left or right-hand boxes. Tap on the keys you want to remap. You can, and should, hold down multiple keys at once, e.g., Control and C. Repeat the process with the other Select button and other keys you want to serve as the new shortcut or target. Alternatively, you can click on the left and right-hand drop-down menus and pick the keys from their selections. Please note that the shortcut to remap needs to start with a modifier key, e.g., Control or Shift, but the target of the remapping does not. If you want to restrict the rebinding to a specific application, enter its name in the Target App field. If you don't, the shortcut rebinding will apply globally to all programs. Select OK to save your selection and try it out. Removing a key binding is similar to adding one. Here's how to do it. Open PowerToys and select Keyboard Manager in the sidebar. Select Remap a key. Click on the Delete Mapping button, the one that looks like a trash can, to the right of the key binding you want to delete. Click OK to save your changes. You can also delete shortcut rebindings the same way. Just go into the Shortcuts Remapping section and follow the rest of the instructions above. And here you got it. Mastering key remapping with Microsoft PowerToys opens a world of customization and efficiency for Windows users. Whether you're a casual user seeking convenience or a power user craving control, PowerToys empowers you to tailor your keyboard experience to perfection. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to ask. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.